somebody's head.
Right.
Yes. That is true.
That's what she's saying.
Yeah, he's good. That's open.
I really want to see it.
He is not letting him open that thing.
Is it like fishing or something?
I don't know. Or probably that's a locker for his stuff.
It's him. You don't want him to open that. He ain't even locked it.
This thing is so sticky. Wait,
See, that's what I'm used to, that little bird over there.
They eat regular food or they just eat fish?
I don't know what they eat. I never saw that bird before.
I thought it was the bird that killed fish.
Usually you don't see them.
The other one was just sitting there. Why don't you?
Oh, that's so weird. He dropped them.
Wow, the hopping fish. Where he at? I hear him.
you want to touch it with your hand?
I've never seen a flopping fish. Okay, here I come.
Drop it, I got it.
You didn't get him fast enough. You owe him a fish because you wanted to take a picture.
I am so sorry. Let's get out of here.
I heard that.
I know. Oh, he went down there somewhere.
He really stole that.
It's right here in plain view. You could have saw him. No, I already got him.
Oh.
Did you get him doing that?
Hell no, I ran when he started chasing me.
He was trying to get the fish.
Where he at, Michael? What did he say?
He wants his share.
I can hear him.
Yeah, he's going that way.
Okay, here.
But he had that was a big fish. He had the smaller one. Oh, there he goes. He's so cute.
Yeah. Now he's going again.
Sorry, I'm in your butt, but I'm trying to see and I'm not trying to look.
Oh my God, it's wiggling, the water.
Right. I'm trying to look over.
I'm trying to see the little thingy. Yes.
If you'd ever just walk to the edge, you'd see him.
Michael, I walked to the edge and the water started
You go down there
rolling.
to come up closer.
What?
To see what can I see?
But you got a good picture of him?
If you enlarge it on the computer, you'll be able to see him.
Oh, there's another one.
Another one of them birds.
Yeah, he flying off that way.
Oh, it's already too well when we first walked up. The other one didn't run around. Now that's kind of